しゃー。
When I came home at lunchtime, I heard a funny noise. Went out to the backyard to find out if it was one of those rowdy boys. Stood there with my neighbor, called Peter, in a flux capacitor. He told me he built a time machine like one in a film I've seen. Yeah, he said I've been to the year 3000, and not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine. You took me to the future in the flux thing, and I saw everything. Boy bands, and another one, and another one, and another one. And girls there with round hair like Star Wars, and float above the floor. We drove around in a time machine like what in a film I've seen. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine. I took a trip to the year 3000. This song had gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought our 7th album. It had out so Kelly Clarkson. I took a trip to the year 3000. This song had gone multi-platinum. Everybody bought our 7th album. He told me he built a time machine like one in a film I've seen. Yeah, been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine. He said I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine. You say I've been to the year 3000. Not much has changed, but they lived underwater. And your great-great-great-granddaughter is doing fine, doing fine.